Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guide. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, and we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones and tablets and other mobile devices. One of the services that we're most frequently asked to perform by our clients is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a different carrier or network other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to the original carrier or network, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different one. For today's videos, we have here with us an LG G5, originally from T-Mobile here in the US. I'll go ahead and show you what we're working with here. We have a different SIM card here inserted, and as most T-Mobile devices do nowadays, you get a message on the screen talking about the device unlock application that T-Mobile preloads on their devices. That's something that T-Mobile added a few years ago in lieu of the unlock code process for all of their Android devices. We're making this video to let all of our clients know that we do offer a SIM unlock service for this model device, and it's something that we can do manually with all of our tools and programs without having to go through that unlock app that T-Mobile puts on the phone. So while my program is running here to do the unlock for the phone, we'll jump into the settings and show you what we're working with here. Under hardware info, we can see that we have the H830, which if you look it up is indeed the T-Mobile version of the G5. And while my unlock program here is running, it's doing the necessary things to perform that SIM unlock to the phone. So in just a minute or two after it restarts here, we should be able to see that it does now register and work on that SIM card that's inserted. The SIM card that we have inserted is one that is from Cricket, which is a prepaid provider here in the US that runs on AT&T's network. Now, when a T-Mobile device is unlocked, AT&T, for the most part, is the other US network that it can work with, since T-Mobile and AT&T both use what's called GSM technology. Unfortunately, this type of device would not be usable on either Sprint or Verizon, since they use a different type of network technology. But if you're looking to use the device in a different country other than the US, the good news is that most of the rest of the world uses that GSM technology as well, so the device should be usable on most other networks in most other countries, although we obviously can't guarantee that it will be usable in all situations. Our unlock procedure is just finishing up here, so as the phone's connected, it should be finishing that up, and then like I said, after the reboot, we should be able to see that it picks up signal on that SIM card. So let's just give it a second here to reboot and run through the process. And there it goes. So we've got our LG logo showing. Okay, so we're loaded up there at our lock screen, and if we slide that away, obviously we see that we don't get that previous prompt that mentioned the network with the network lock message like it was showing before. And so if we go and jump into our network settings, yep, there we go. So we can now see that the device is registered on Cricket, that it's showing as the network there. If my zoom will cooperate, there we go. And we show our mobile network type as LTE, so the phone has been fully SIM unlocked and is now registered and working on that SIM card. So if you have a T-Mobile LG G5 that you would like to get SIM unlocked for use on another GSM carrier, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. While you're there, also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.